Welcome back student, class of computer science. From today we are going to start our revision, and in next 10 days we will revise our entire syllabus. If you have any problems related with topics, you are feel free to contact me, as I mentioned my contact number in WhatsApp group. So let's start the revision section. So this is our syllabus. In this syllabus we will start with the unit 1, and the unit 1 is fundamental of computer. In this unit we will discuss computer, its application, the block diagram of computer, generations of computer, basic concept of memory, what are softwares, and number system, and the conversion of number system. So let's start the revision. And if you face any problem in the syllabus or in a revision section, you can contact me. So let's start. So this is our first question, or in other way we can say that from here we can start our revision. So what is computer? Basically, a computer is an electronic device which converts raw data into meaningful information. Or in other words, we can say that a computer is a machine that accepts data from user, process the data by performing calculation, and generate the output as a result. So basically, computer is the combination of hardware and software which convert data into information. So what is data? Data means raw fact and figure, or in other words we can say that anything that is meaningful is called data. Or basically data is collection of raw facts, like we have a name, we have a Sunil, SDPS 007. All these things are data, because with the help of these things we cannot take any decision. So if we want to need decision, we need information. So what is information? The process form of data is called information, so that we can make decision. Or in other words we can say that with the help of information we can make decision. So this is our question. What is basically computer? A computer is an electronic device which convert raw data into meaningful information. That's it. So our next topic is, what is the function of computer science, or what is the function of computer system? A computer is responsible for 4 basic operations. The first is input. What is input? A data that is entered into the computer is called input. The next is processing. It is a sequence or action taken on the computer to convert it into information which is meaningful for user, because as we insert or we enter anything in the computer, that is in form of raw fact, that is in form of raw material. So the input that we send into a computer, the computer send data into processing, send into CPU for processing. So it's the duty of CPU or the processing unit to process the data into a meaningful information. And the next is output. It make process data available for user. After we process the data, it will available for user, so that user can use according to their need. And this data is display on the display unit, like monitor, printer, anything. Storage. It stores data and information permanently or temporarily. So these are our 2 topics. Now the next one is, what are the characteristics of computer, or what are the advantages of computer, or what are the features of computer? The first one is speed. Actually, as we know that the speed of computer is very fast. It can calculate anything in few seconds. The speed of computer measured in microsecond, nanosecond, picosecond. The next is accuracy. The computer provide higher degree of accuracy, but the accuracy depend upon the user. The computer is work based on the principle of GIGO. The GIGO mean garbage in, garbage out. Mean if the user input the wrong information, the computer gives us wrong output. If the input is correct, output is correct. If input is wrong, then the output is wrong. So accuracy depend on user. The next is storage. The storage capacity of computer is very large, but the storage capacity depend upon the storage device. If the storage device is large, then the storage capacity, we can store data, large storage data, large store information, or we large store data. If the storage device, the size of storage device is small, then we can store small amount of data. So it depend upon storage device. If the storage device is, if the capacity of storage device is large, then we can store large amount of data. If the storage capacity is small, then we can store small amount of data. The next is versatile. Versatile mean computer can do different types of work simultaneously. They perform multiple tasks at the same time. It accepts the information, perform operation, and generate the output. Basically, computer can perform multiple tasks at the same time. Like it accepts the data from input unit, send to the processing unit process the data and give the output through the output unit. So we can say that a computer is a versatile device which can process multiple tasks at the same time. The next is automation. Once the instruction fed into the computer, it works automatically without any human intervention until completion or execution of program. So इसमें हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि कंप्यूटर क्या करता है, हर काम को ऑटोमेटिकली कर लेता है. जैसे मैंने उसे कैलकुलेशन करने को बोल दी, जब तक वो कैलकुलेशन ख़त्म नहीं हो जाती है वो काम करता रहेगा. सो वी कैन से दैट अ कंप्यूटर कैन डू लॉट ऑफ टास्क ऑटोमेटिकली विदाउट द हेल्प ऑफ ह्यूमन. द नेक्स्ट इज डेलीगेसी. द कंप्यूटर कैन परफॉर्म number of functions without suffering from tiredness, lack of concentration. If millions of instructions are to be performed, a computer can perform every calculation with same accuracy. Because in delegacy we can say that the type of work computer do at the accuracy of the computer, it can do any work at same accuracy and same speed. A computer can perform number of functions without suffering of tiredness. Because कंप्यूटर को कभी भी थकान महसूस नहीं होती और वो जितना मर्जी काम उसे दे दें वो सेम स्पीड और सेम एक्यूरेसी के साथ उस काम को क्या करता है, परफॉर्म करता है. फ्लेक्सिबल. कंप्यूटर यूज्ड फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट, बिजनेस by people who hold different ideas, who have varied goal. Almost anyone can use computer and computer can be used assist with almost every goal. Basically in flexibility we can say that computer is a flexible device. It works according to the need of user. If we want to use to computer for entertainment purpose, we can watch the movie or listen the music. If we want to use computer for business purpose, we can make our presentation, we can make our calculation device. So it's depend upon user for which purpose we are using computer. The next is reliable. The output generated by the computer is very reliable, but the reliability only when the data which is passed to the input to the computer and the program which give instruction are correct and reliable. Same thing like last topic, accuracy. The reliability depend upon the accuracy of the input. If the input is correct, the output is reliable. If the input is correct, the reliability of data is low. So we can say that कि अगर मेरी इनपुट ठीक है तो हम उसकी आउटपुट पे रिलाइव कर सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर मेरी इनपुट गलत है, अगर मैं इनपुट ही गलत दे रहा हूँ तो मैं उस पर भरोसा नहीं कर सकता हूँ जो भी मेरे पास क्या आ रही है, आउटपुट आ रही है. सो वी कैन से दैट कि कंप्यूटर इज ए मल्टी फंक्शनल डिवाइस बट एवरीथिंग डिपेंड अपॉन यूजर. इफ द यूजर गिव्स करेक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन, इट गिव्स अस करेक्ट output. If the input is wrong, incorrect, the output is wrong. So all the things depend upon user. So the next is limitation or disadvantages of computer. The first one was lack of intelligence. We can say that a computer does not have natural intelligence. It cannot think about the effect of work it is doing. बेसिकली हम बोल सकते हैं कि कंप्यूटर में क्या है, लैक ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस होती है, नेचुरल इंटेलिजेंस. जैसे कि लाइक इन ह्यूमंस या हम लोगों में क्या होता है, इंटेलिजेंस ही होती है कि हम चीज़ें सोच सकते हैं, समझ सकते हैं. बट कंप्यूटर डज नॉट हैव नेचुरल इंटेलिजेंस. सो कंप्यूटर को नहीं पता है कि जो वो काम कर रहा है ठीक है कि नहीं है. वो बिना सोचे समझे उस काम को कर देता है. अनेबल टू करेक्ट मिस्टेक. इट कैन नॉट करेक्ट द मिस्टेक बाय इटसेल्फ. सो इफ वी have provided wrong or incorrect data, it produce a wrong result or wrong calculation. Like computer cannot understand anything. If the input is wrong, the output is incorrect. If the input is correct, then the output is correct. So it's all about user input. Violation of privacy. In many instances, when personal and confidential records stored in computer were not protected properly, individuals for have their privacy violated and identified. लाइक कंप्यूटर में जो भी डेटा स्टोर करके रखते हैं उसके साथ छेड़खानी या उसे कोई चुरा सकता है. सो बेसिकली जो हमारी प्राइवेसी है वो स्टोर हो सकती है, उसके वायलेशन हो सकती है. लेकिन ये सारी चीज़ें इस बात पे डिपेंड करती है कि यूज़र उसमें किस तरह से सिक्योरिटी लगा के रखता है. इफ वी हैव ए गुड सिक्योरिटी मैकेनिज्म, नोबडी कैन break our security. If the mechanism are wrong, if the mechanism is not good, then anybody enter in my computer and break my security or break my policy or violate my privacy. No IQ, like lack of intelligence, the same thing is no IQ. Computer is not a magical device, it is just a machine. It has no IQ. If the difference is that it perform task without use of their brain, because computer have no brain, no IQ, so it can do any task without the power of thinking or without the power of intelligence. So we can say that it can do anything, at same speed and same accuracy without any IQ, without any use of their brain, because computer has no brain, no intelligence. So its IQ level is 0, so it can perform any task, anything without thinking that the work is good or the task is good for everybody or not good for everybody. Next, no feeling. Computer is devoid of emotion, so they have no feeling, no instinct, because machine. बेसिकली कंप्यूटर में क्या कोई फीलिंग्स नहीं, कोई इमोशंस नहीं, क्योंकि वो क्या है, कंप्यूटर इज ए मशीन. कंप्यूटर हैज लैक ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस, नो IQ, नो ब्रेन, सो he can do any task without knowing if the task is good or task is bad. So these are some limitations of computer. The next topic is what are the various applications of computer. So computer have their application and utilities everywhere. Some of the prominent area of computer applications are: in application of computer, we can say that in which area, or in other word we can say that area where we use the computer. Like as we know that computer is used in everywhere, in every area. So we have some prominent area that we explain in this topic. The first one is education. As we know that education institute using computer in many way, like education, virtual classroom, online classes, or we can say that video conferencing, e-learning, smart classes, all these things, all these topics, all these techniques we use with the help of computer. Without computer we cannot do anything. So in other words, we can say that a computer have proved a very good or excellent teacher, because with the help of this device we can make our education good and better. The next is science. Scientists have long been user of it. A new adventure among the scientists is idea to collaborate an internet-based laboratory in which researchers all over the world can work easily together even the distance. बेसिकली क्या है, साइंटिस्ट क्या करते हैं, आपस में कोलैबोरेट करते हैं इंटरनेट के ऊपर. अगर कोई भी रिसर्च करते हैं वो आपस में अपनी रिसर्च को क्या कर सकते हैं, दे कैन शेयर विद फेलो साइंटिस्ट even their own lab or even on internet. So it is very good for scientists or very good for human, because they can share their research or they can share their experiment to the different scientists all over the world. Industry. A computer are used here to control manufacturing system, running machinery. Parameters like temperature, pressure, volumes are controlled by the computer. Robotics developed with the help of computer play a very crucial role. देखिए इंडस्ट्री में भी क्या है, कंप्यूटर बहुत ही क्रूशियल रोल प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. लाइक वी हैव लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स लाइक टेम्परेचर मेजरमेंट, प्रेशर को कंट्रोल द प्रेशर, इंक्रीज और डिक्रीजिंग द वॉल्यूम्स, control the computers or control the machines. All these things are done by the computer can control all these things, so there is no need of human to control these things. Even with the help of computer our industry works 24/7, work with 24/7 or 365 days, but the human cannot do 24 hours work. So the computer can control all these things. So the our industry now the industry are running in 24 hours. So all these things are done with the help of computer. अब बेसिकली हमारे पास कुछ ऐसे रोबोट्स भी आ चुके हैं जो कि इंडस्ट्री में बहुत ज़्यादा काम करते हैं. ह्यूमन्स को पूरी तरह से उन्होंने क्या कर दिया है, इग्नोर कर दिया है, क्योंकि वो सारा का सारा काम जो खुद कर रहे हैं. फाइनेंस, मैनी पीपल्स एंड कंपनीज यूज कंप्यूटर टू हेल्प मैनेज देयर फाइनेंस. सम यूज फाइनेंस सॉफ्टवेयर टू बैलेंस चेकबुक, पे बिल, track personal incomes expensive, manage investment, financial plan. तो बेसिकली क्या है, इंटरनेट पे क्या है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंप्यूटर यूजर कैन मैनेज देयर फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स और फाइनेंशियल वर्क. लाइक नाउ द यूजर कैन ट्रैक देयर पर्सनल रिकॉर्ड्स, यूजर कैन पर्सनल इनकम्स एंड एक्सपेंसेस, यूजर कैन मेंटेन देयर चेकबुक्स. नाउ वी कैन पे आवर बिल्स थ्रू ऑनलाइन और विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंप्यूटर. So the computer is also a very useful device in the field of finance. That's the government. So as we know that everything we follow, or we can say that we follow all the rules and regulations that directed by the governments. So to provide citizen up to date information, most of the government offices have their websites, or with the help of these websites user can update yourself what the policies, what the statements, what the information that government has given to users. Like with the help of computer we can pay our income tax, we can apply for licensing, we can apply for passport, we can renew our registrations of vehicle. All these things we can do with the help of computer. So the next is healthcare. Nearly every area in healthcare we use the computer, whether you are visiting a family doctor for regular checkup, or work having lab work or a outpatient test, being just emergency surgeries. Everywhere we use computer. Doctor use the web and medical software to assist whether researching and diagnose health. Doctor use email to correspondent with patients. Pharmacists use computer to file insurance claim. Robot develop medication to nurse station and hospitals. बेसिकली क्या है ना, हेल्थ के केयर में भी ना काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूजेस जो कंप्यूटर का होता है. सबसे ज़्यादा मेन बेनिफिट किसकी हेल्प से हुआ है, इंटरनेट से. नाउ वी कैन कॉन्टैक्ट और वी कैन कॉन्टैक्ट विद डॉक्टर विद द हेल्प ऑफ ईमेल्स, है ना. कि अगर मुझे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, किसी भी डॉक्टर से कंसर्न करना है, तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, विद द हेल्प ऑफ ईमेल वी कैन कॉन्टैक्ट द डॉक्टर. अगर मुझे किसी डॉक्टर से मिलना है तो मैं ऑनलाइन अपॉइंटमेंट ले सकता हूँ. तो अगर मैंने कहीं दूर अपॉइंटमेंट लेनी है डॉक्टर से, लाइक मुझे चेकअप के लिए फ़ॉरेन जाना है, तो मैं पहले डॉक्टर से क्या कर सकता हूँ, ऑनलाइन अपॉइंटमेंट ले सकता हूँ, ताकि मैं जैसे वहाँ पे पहुँचता हूँ तो मुझे बाकी फॉर्मेलिटीज़ ना करनी पड़े. मैं सारा का सारा काम कैसे कर लूँगा, ऑनलाइन. सो ट्रैवल. Many vehicles manufacturers today include some of the onboard navigation system. Some mobile user prefer to carry specialized handheld navigation device. लाइक देखिए ट्रैवलिंग में तो हम सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं कंप्यूटर को. जो हमारे पास नेविगेशन डिवाइसेज हैं, नेविगेशन डिवाइस लाइक मैप. अगर हम क्या करते हैं, ऑनलाइन मैप यूज़ करते हैं अपने सारे के सारे काम को जो है करने के लिए. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ नेविगेशन डिवाइस और विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंप्यूटर वी कैन एंजॉय अवर हॉलीडेज विदाउट, मतलब हमें किसी भी चीज़ की रास्ता ढूंढने की या कहीं जाने से किसी डेस्टिनेशन को पता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मुझे किसी टूर गाइड की ज़रूरत नहीं है. विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंप्यूटर वी कैन डू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. related our traveling. So the next is publishing. Publishing is a process to make a work available to public. These work include books, magazines, newspaper, music videos. Specific software assist graphic designer to web pages that include text and graphics and photos. बेसिकली क्या है, अगर पब्लिशिंग के फील्ड में, इन फील्ड ऑफ पब्लिशिंग है ना, कंप्यूटर प्ले ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल, बिकॉज जैसे पहले यूजर को क्या करना, अगर कोई बुक लिखनी होती थी तो उसे कैसे लिखेगा, वो टाइपराइटर के साथ ही टाइप करेगा, फिर उसको पब्लिश करने के लिए पब्लिशर ढूंढेगा, फिर पब्लिशर के पास लेके जाएगा, तो देयर इज लॉट ऑफ फॉर्मेलिटीज है ना. बट नाउ डेज एवरी publication house is online. User can contact with publication house and send their samples. If the samples are good, now the publication house contact the author, and now the author can publish their book. Like we have lot of publications like Amazon. Amazon, one of the most famous is पब्लिकेशन इज अमेजॉन. अमेजॉन में हम क्या कर सकते हैं, अपने ई बुक्स को हम क्या कर सकते हैं, पब्लिश करवा सकते हैं. तो उसमें मुझे ई बुक्स को जब मैं पब्लिश करवाऊँगा तो मुझे क्या है, मुझे हार्ड कॉपी की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैं ऑनलाइन उससे कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकता हूँ पब्लिकेशन हाउस से एंड सेंड अवर कॉपी. नाउ द पब्लिकेशन हाउस प्रिंट और शो और शेयर माई पब्लिकेशन ऑन देयर वेब पोर्टल, सो द यूजर कैन डाउनलोड द बुक्स फ्रॉम वेबसाइट. तो हम ये सारा काम कहाँ कर सकते हैं, ऑनलाइन हम ये क्या कर सकते हैं, सारा काम कर सकते हैं. सो दीज आर सम टॉपिक्स रिलेटेड विद अवर फंडामेंटल्स. लाइक ऑल दिस टॉपिक्स कवर इन दिस टॉपिक, है ना. व्हाट इज़ कंप्यूटर, इट्स एप्लीकेशंस. ऑल दिस टॉपिक्स कवर अंडर दिस टॉपिक, कंप्यूटर एंड इट्स एप्लीकेशन. So in next class we start with block diagram of computer and generations of computer. So that's for today. If you have any problem related these topics, you can contact me. I have given my phone number on our WhatsApp group. So thanks for today. See you next lecture. Have a nice day.